Hey, my friend, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So after I checked into this into my account, and what I realized is under the custom type, it looks like the value was there's nothing there. So for you, so I had to just put in just different values here, and see this. So that was what was missing. The values, there was no value here. So after I did that, I kind of just previewed the page, and I'm going to show you how that works. So Akram is awesome 100% at gmail.com. Yeah, and I'm going to choose VIP because I'm VIP. So I'm going to click on, oops, so maybe I put it like, sorry about that. It doesn't want me to be awesome, so I'm just going to leave it at akram at gmail.com, and I'm going to click on submit, and voila, it's working. Awesome stuff. And it's taking me to that Eventbrite that you have, and in case you don't want it to go here, you just need to know that you have it on submit, and then you have a redirect over right here, and that's why it's going to the Eventbrite. If you don't want it to go to that page, you just need to take this off and click on save. Awesome. So let me know if this works, and yeah, bye for now.